Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, June the 18th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and I have also extra news in this newspaper. There's today no additional with extra Sudoku. Just look here. Page. No Sudokus. No extra Sudoku. So I'm very disappointed, and I do not know why the publisher has not printed extra Sudokus for today. It's Thursday and it's not Saturday, because I know 2 weeks ago they started not to print this is the last page. Yes, I know that 2 weeks ago on Saturday they have not printed extra Sudokus additional in the Saturday paper. And they did it twice, but today no extra Sudokus, only one Sudoku, so I'm very disappointed. Anyway, one Sudoku, so let's get started with this regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku, so alright, we have an 8 here. In this column, an 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then let me see, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. We see there 3, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. Now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. The other 2 boxes I cannot fill this, because I need more information. Those numbers are the 5 and the 7. How about the number? Yes. The following number. Let me see. Yeah. How about the number? The The 9 in this third row, the 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then Let me think. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. There are 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. And then 5, 7. We have a 5, 7 here as a pair. That means one box left for the middle column should be the 4. The other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 5? We have a 5 here in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in this whole big square. So one box left in this column for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So on the last column, the only two places for the 6 here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And then we have 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9, we have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then the 3 in the first column, the 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, the 3. And I believe all the 9s also. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, the 9 also. How about these 2 numbers in this row, the middle row? The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 2? 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this third column, 2 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. How about the number 5? In this big square. No. How about we have here 1 and 7, 5 and 8. Yes. I think the number 8, I can do something with the 8 because no, and the 5 also. 2 numbers left in the third row. The numbers are the 8 and the 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Number 8, we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 1 in this big square? 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left. in this big square, the 1 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 and the 7, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. And yeah, stay safe, be healthy, and keep on puzzling. We will meet you tomorrow, and hopefully I will see an additional with extra Sudokus. Today, no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I'm curious what the publisher tomorrow will do. So thank you, and bye bye for now.